terrible fucking synthetic read. I was just tired watching this. And this ass cheeks. They grab me cheeks, girl. You look like you really up in that. Oh, this little boy was watching. Putting away your flicks? Child, he's watching his damn father's porn. And he just think it's cute. Playing around. He gonna finish watching it. Bitch, he don't need singing lessons if y'all broke. It's one thing, white people gonna make sure their kids got extracurricular activities, bitch. Make sure. So you almost retired from porn. It look like you need a job to me. Now her hyping him up. Gotta get back in the game, Milos. Artistic pornography. Here we go. Oh, liquor. Excuse you? Period. It's not plastic surgery, baby. It's all natural. Yeah, cause don't fucking touch me, bitch. Okay, we back, and him and his wife were just watching one of his pornos. Now they having some weird kinky sex. Don't be ripping my night, girl. What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay. That don't look enjoyable. Excuse me. That bitch crying. Sir. Oh, now you want to fuck your soul food. I mean, I guess if that's what y'all into. Sex be so quick in movies. I mean, it be quick in real life too, but it be like 30 seconds in the movie. Maybe 60. The Nikola Tesla of porn. Okay. That's how he hit him. I think I said it right. Let go of this man's hand, Vuk Mir. Damn. It has jerked such a special cock, and he wants to hold it. Get the fuck. I'm done. Where's my lip? Okay, so his friend, the porn bitch. I'm sorry. I ain't mean it in that way. Negatively, I love hoes. But his porn co-worker is in this meeting with his supposed artistic director. Oh God, here he goes. I'm different with my porn. It's artistic, aka I'm really a fucking creep. He's talking some bullshit. She's rubbing up on his thigh under the table. Like, what the hell going on? He's just talking bullshit right now, y'all, so I'm sorry. Yeah, explain to him what he's supposed to be doing in this movie, all this bullshit you talking. Just stand there with your cock out and fuck it until it's... And you asking me to kiss some more? The fuck? Doctor, not what you sucking on her finger like that. The fuck? You have not told me what this film is about, and you want me to sign a contract. And then you don't want me to read it. Just pay attention to the numbers. Like, shady. Stop preying on poor people in desperate situations for some bullshit. Because it's already suspect. Don't know what I'm signing. Sir, fuck out of here. I don't want to be good if I can't know what I'm shooting. So you giving your son singing lessons because you sang ho? Is that what I'm gathering from this? Because why you just don't give him singing lessons and save your husband the money that y'all don't have? Okay, because he might be into some arms dealing, ho. Like, he wants some bullshit. He don't desperately need you. He desperately want to ruin your fucking life. That's what he want to do. He's crazy. How you can't see that? It's not right in the head. Why would he accept that shit, ho? He don't know what it is. Yeah. He talking about his creep ass brother. This isn't the horror yet. This is horror. Horrible. Horrifying. Horrid. Rent your dick to Vukmir. I want both your heads to be clear and hard. You're a little too pressed for my dick, sir. I mean, it's okay for a sir to be into that, but you're just a little too pressed for my dick. Like, so soon, so suddenly. Chill out, relax, calm down. Don't know you. Okay, Milo, you feeling good? You got a job, you got some coin coming in, okay? You still don't know what it is, but whatever. This creep ass brother all up on his wife. Like, I don't care how lonely or desperate I get. I don't even touch a nigga friends. Like, you could look good as daylight, bitch. I'm sorry, I'm loyal to your nigga. Leave me alone. You said you wanted some of the apple, bitch. You need to stop being fucking horny and saying yes to shit you want when you really talking about her pussy. This shit is really creepy. Like, everything is just very inappropriate. And I'm all for inappropriateness, but this is a little... He didn't excuse himself. Okay. I know you didn't go in that bathroom to reach your dick. I know you didn't. I know you didn't. I know you didn't. I know you didn't. That's your brother's wife. Aggressively beating his family dysfunction at its finest. Cause what the fuck is that? Sir, you have got to be... You done skeeted all in them people saying. I hope you at least skeeted in them people saying, but still. And then people saying, who are these people? Oh, slow motion and ominous and shit. Fuck you looking at? Yes, tell me what is going on, Milos. I mean, Vukmir, and you telling me get a grip. See, here he go with this fake deep shit again. You're a porn star who wants to know what a porn film is about. A bit absurd. Yeah, I want to know what the concept and the premise and the plot line of your movie is, because even in porn, even if it's a terrible one with terrible dialogue, your clients are probably perverts who surf the black web and need to be persecuted for child pornography, child molestation, murder, rape, who knows what else. I just feel this inside of my bones. Like, I just know these things. I know these things. Awkward moment when your son asks how to make your dick get hard. Aren't you telling him to follow the feeling with his hand, child? I mean, I can't even lie. I began my journey into self-love as a child. Oh my God, not right now, son. They outside at the park, child. It's people jogging with their children and shit. Okay, y'all need to be a little bit more open with this child so he understands shit like that is not okay. Like, I knew, don't touch yourself in front of nobody. Don't do that. So he got earpiece in his ear. This is giving him directions. Why you couldn't give him directions beforehand? And then you got this man with this bullshit, what they call camcorders? Yeah, camcorders. Home for abandoned and orphaned children. Y'all are shooting a porn there? That seems a bit odd. How he's supposed to be natural when he don't know what the fuck is going on? Like, he's going to have a natural anxious energy. Here go this doctor bitch again. Who is she? Because she always dressed up like she got hired for a bachelor party. Where you taking him, sis? With a smile on your face. And whose child is this and stay with? What, you presenting her? Lord, she's smirking at the man. Oh, not impale yourself on a fence. So they give him birth. Misbegotten wench. Oh. Listen, you remember the fuck you said, how? An orphanage. Okay, now the nurse is taking the child from the woman who said she wished she impaled herself on the fence. The hell is going on in this porn? This is very dramatic and dark. And who are these men dragging her? What type of porno is this? Now she looking all miserable and hugging up on him. This doctor bitch is strange. And she leading him somewhere else, child. What is this? Now she's kissing him. I don't understand. You should have known that these people were playing games with you when you walked into an orphanage, my guy. Like, does this look reasonable to you? You got this doctor bitch in a pink nurse outfit. Then you got videos of this child playing while he's getting his dick sucked. What in Jesus' name? And he's getting into it. Ain't no amount of money in the world you can pay me. Because what the fuck? What's going on? This is why I need to know what's happening before I sign the contracts. And I'm about to do on Run Me My Coin, because what the fuck y'all got going on here? I'm about to call 911. Run Me My Coin. Police! The fuck? His brother's such a creep. You answering the phone while you saying your dick suck? To a family video? Everybody in this movie is. Yeah, your dick is soft, bitch. I can't keep sucking this. And then your brother's porno comes on. Oh my god. She said, fuck sucking this dick. Let me watch this shit. Oh, you hating because you can fuck 3 bitches at once and you can't keep your dick hard while you're getting it sex. Child. Is that a cop slapping her around? Now she crawling over the Milos. What the what is this? This is not porn. This is disturbing. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. You just got slapped around by a cop. You're not about to suck his dick. You're not about to suck his dick. You're not about to suck his dick. You know what? She is. The child is sitting in the room watching. Yeah, what is this? Is she waving? What in the hell? The cop holding him, she biting his dick. And he's telling him to hit her. What the fuck is going on? It's his mom. Why would you give me range? I'm gonna do range. Uvek je bio očaran svetom filma. I got mussels and crawfish. Child, you should have just never went back to that place. You stupid. Fuck faces, people. They're crazy. Who's is following him?
više ne radim nigde. Što se mene tiče, danas sam u penziji. Da li možda postoji neki način da te ubedimo suprotno? Ne.
So he quit. Should have been did that.
Deca mi smetaju, ne mogu da radim takve stvari u opet.
You should have never walked in when you saw y'all was fucking in an orphanage. The fuck?
Samo što ću...
Fuck is he talking about now?
Kako je to? Kad te roditelji odbace. Baš ceo život odbaciš. Da smo mi jedini pasni.
What?
Opstanka ove nacije. Da na našim plećima počiva...
Shut the fuck up.
Da smo jedino mi u stanju da svetu pružimo dokaz da je ovaj narod uopšte živ i upotrebljiv za bilo šta.
Sir, you're crazy.
Ne moraš to da mi dokazuješ. Samo mi reci, kakve to sve veze ima s pornografijom, molim te?
Something an abuser would say.
Žrtva najskuplja roba. Zato što žrtva najviše osjeća i najbolje pati. A mi smo žrtva, Miloše.
Your shepherd. What are you finna show him? Sorry, you see, this why you shouldn't have went to quit. You should have just not showed up again. And he would have figured it out. Alright, so you got a woman giving birth in some weird abandoned factory warehouse type shit with some boarded up fucking windows, bitch. Like, what is this shit? What is it? This man and took off his damn thing, his doctor's coat, and now he in his drawers, and he put some gloves on. Okay, he coaxing the baby out. Now would you smacking the baby in the ass like that? Okay, thank you for not showing me whatever it is that he's doing. And my mother is smiling. What the fuck? Absolutely not. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. He needs to be shot. Like shots. And so he's dead. They go to the damn doctor then. He done dragged your ass. It's too late for you now. Why would y'all just sitting on each other all ugly like that? Now he woke up, beat up and blood all over the place. See? And he been knocked out for 3 days. Not him peeing blood, bitch. What the fuck? The damn car. Oh, he stole a car. Look up his brother at. Remember, he was at the stoplight and a damn hoe ass doctor came up there and he was grabbing on her titties. And she got in the car. Why would he let her take the car? Why he's still in it? What we doing, bitch? Oh, he let her take the car because she was beating his dick while she was driving. Why he so aggressive like this? Oh my god. Oh my god, chill out, sir. He looks like a crazed animal child. Now they being blood everywhere, bitch. Not them having him handcuffs after he quit. Oh my god. Gave him fucking bull Viagra. And I got the same bitch who was biting his dick earlier all chained up. What in the hell? Oh my god. He wants her to violate him. Damn, he beating the shit out of her while he's fucking her from the back. Oh my god. Oh my god, they gave him a machete and said hit her. Shit. He's chopping her head off. Oh my god, he's still fucking. They gotta pull him off. What the fuck? What the fuck? He done found tapes, child. Oh, that's his friend who did the donkey porn. Child, not all these little videotapes of his weird ass porn. Not the guard raping him while he passed out. Nigga, you sick. I got this damn doctor. I guess you gotta administer him a refresher dose. The friend checking him for getting him high. She knew what the fuck was going on. Why she set him up like that? He was never an artist. You shouldn't have announced that you was finna take his ass up out of there. You should have just did it. Lord. She chained up with blood all over her. Oh my god, they poured TiVo with pliers. These people are crazy. Like, really and truly crazy. Oh my god, he's face fucking her to death. Oh my gosh. Child, what else is on his face? Oh my god, you're thanking him for killing your child? This is just weird. And the little girl is just smirking. Now you promoting child rape by the father? Bitch, no. Absolutely not.
Sad ću da odsečem s gotovim, mamo vam jeberuše. Ne, Miloše.
Niggas gonna cut his dick off. But he jumps out the window instead.
Iskoči na film kroz prozor. Šta čeka za njim?
Now, why did you agree to do this film when you didn't know what the fuck it was about? Oh, Lois, that little girl. Not him sitting in the alleyway, like... Well, I mean, he did just go through all of that shit, so understandable. I just some... talking about some out nigga but won't take a dick. And he beating his dick while niggas are catcalling somebody else. So they whip his ass. It's just all around weird. Y'all catcalling the underage girl. He beating his dick. Y'all jump him. And then that bodyguard man comes up and snaps y'all necks. You're a he-goat and I'm your mom. What the fuck? What a weirdo. This shit is just too much. I can't, like, it's too much weird shit. I can't, like, he not even making no sense. He just talking a bunch of disturbed ass shit. Like, sir, what are you on? You're like, what happened in here? He's shooting him up. And he shoots her with it instead. I mean, that's what you get, bitch. Yeah, he should have been killed, that doctor bitch. And this nigga that raped his ass. Why would you strip him naked? Such a fucking creep. Everybody is fucking weirdos. Lord, it's a room full of dead bodies everywhere. God damn. Okay, you remember him. You come here ushering his ass in to a warm family home, child. He fucking somebody with a hood on. And he's fucking ridiculously... Compton. And then he starts fucking the person next to that person. For what reason? That's what I know. Okay, so who the fuck is this man? This is like rape to me. This is weird. His brother! It's his wife that his brother's fucking. And it's his son that he's fucking. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking playing games with me right now. No, I'm really upset. Her son fucking foaming at the mouth, bro. Like, she looking at her husband fucking him. And he trying to figure out what the fuck going on. Like, what the fuck? And his brother feel accomplished. This is disgusting. Like, what? The doctor lived? Bust his head open, yes. And she killing her brother-in-law. Yeah, fuck his bitch ass. That's cinema. Are you crazy? She's been a chunk out of her. This shit is wild. And now she beating the shit out of his head with a sculpture, bitch. Oh my god, he's putting his dick in this man's eye socket. He's like shoving it, he's bleeding. Oh my god. How do you kill somebody? That dick is monstrous. Oh my god, he just... Now she got the knife up to her husband. Yeah, because that's trifling. Did he just knock her ass out? This is ridiculous. Who made this film? Who? Why? He locking them in basements and shit? Or he tried to kill himself. And that's when he passed out. Got it. Your brother's already dead, sir. The fact that his brother was in on this shit is really fucking disgusting. Because the brother was the nigga in the hood who killed the porn star coworker by fucking her in the mouth to death. I need a blunt. I'm stressed out. No, like I'm really stressed out because what is this? I check on my wife, child. Don't touch her. She don't trust you. And that poor child, he just got fucked so crazy in his butt. I don't even know what to think. Foaming at the mouth, passing out. He's just so traumatized. Oh my god. Oh my god. That poor child, he can't even speak. Oh my god. You raped your son! Oh my god, this poor child. He's just so gone. Oh my god. This is so crazy. Okay, what's happening? I ain't said nothing. Oh, he's about to kill all three of them. Okay. Well, shit. Oh.
What?
This guy with the camera. They're about to have sex with the dead bodies? What was the reason? What was the purpose? Why was this created? The fuck was you going through?